In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search within a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Before we start, make sure your Google Sheets document is open and that the specific sheet you want to search is active. You'll know a sheet is active when its tab at the bottom is highlighted. If you have multiple tabs, take a quick moment to click the one you want to search so Google Sheets focuses on the right place. Next, open the search box. On Windows and Chrome OS, press Ctrl and F together. On a Mac, press Command and F. You'll see a small search bar appear in the top right corner of your sheet. This is your quick find tool, and it's handy because it doesn't change your data. It simply helps you locate content fast. Click into that search box and start typing the word, number, or phrase you want to find. As you type, Google Sheets automatically scans the active sheet and highlights every matching result. You'll notice a subtle highlight across the sheet, and in many cases, a counter in the search box showing how many matches were found. This immediate feedback helps you confirm you're searching the right sheet and using the right terms. If you see too many highlights, try being more specific by adding a unique word or including part of the phrase that narrows things down. If you see nothing highlighted, double-check your spelling and confirm you're on the correct sheet tab. To move through each match one by one, use the up and down arrows right next to the search box. The down arrow takes you forward through the results, and the up arrow takes you back. As you navigate, the selected cell will jump to each match, so you can quickly review the context around it and verify it's the entry you're looking for. This is especially useful in large sheets where matches might be scattered across many rows and columns. When you're done, close the search box so it doesn't block your view. You can click the X on the right side of the search bar or press Escape on your keyboard. Your sheet stays exactly as it was, no changes are made by searching, and all highlights disappear once the search box is closed. That's it. You've learned how to open the search tool, find exactly what you need, move through results efficiently, and close the tool when you're finished. With these steps, you can quickly pinpoint information in even the largest spreadsheets, saving time and reducing errors.